yeah, yeah, yeah. Un mensaje con su amiga que si quiere un trago. A ver si usted me va a dar la oportunidad. Mami, es que usted está buena y eso es demasiado. Y yo sé que anda soltera, ven, vamos a bailar. Me está poniendo violento con esos movimientos. En mi cama tú vas a terminar, yo lo presiento. Lo hacemos a lo rápido, lo hacemos a lo lento. A ella le gusta ice, se enamoró de mi acento. She put up, asked me what my name is. Yeah. I told her, baby, I'm the nigga that's gonna make you famous. FBI, open up!
Bro, what you want? Bro, what you want? Alright, bro. You want a room tour? Alright, bet. I'll give you a room tour. Alright, come in. Come in. Don't worry about this. You know, it's my sister's stuff on God. As you can see, yeah, as you can see, 2 beds. You know, my sister, mine. Don't worry about the mess. You know what I mean? We're gonna fix it up soon. But as you can see, you feel me? This is actually a pretty good resort. We're here for my boy Rey. He's about to get married and shit. You feel me? So, you know, can't wait for that. Tomorrow will be the day for that. But like, how do you open this? Oh shit! Oh, is it up? Oh, there we go. For me, I'm a little weak. For me, I haven't been working out. But yeah, as you can see, look at the view. Damn, this is nice, right? Right? This is nice. Oh god! And for that, damn, look at the show me that view. Show me that view right there. See that view right there? Yeah, that's where I'm gonna be at tomorrow. You feel me? A little island over there. You feel me? Cause I'm an island boy and I'm trying to make it. Alright, but let's go back in. Let's show them the bathroom real quick. Alright, let's get into the bathroom. Oh god. Oh wait. Yeah, so we do have a robe. You feel me? So got the own. You feel me? My own robe and shit. Man, this. You sure this is my size? Oh yeah. But that's pretty nice. You feel me? Oh, and I forgot. I almost forgot, Ariana. I almost forgot. Oh god. Oh god, we got the Brugatti. You feel me? If you're Dominican, you definitely know what this shit is, baby. You not. For me, you don't really know what this shit is. This shit's strong as fuck. You feel me? I'm probably finishing this shit today. Who knows? We'll see. But depending how today's goes. But the bathroom. My sister was showering and shit, so you feel me? It's not that messy. You feel me? But his or hers. We got that little tub right here. You feel me? Oh god, this is pretty nice, y'all. I'll dead get something like this in my house. You feel me? You got the shower right there, and then you feel me, got the tub. You feel me? So like, if you ever like, you know, have your wife and shit, she could be showering while you over here chilling. You feel me? With that little ice bath, you know what I mean? Or even like jacuzzi, you know what I mean? Whatever you want to make it. But yeah, we gonna end it off there. Oh god, and yeah, I'll see you in the next clip.
Eres el mejor compañero, consejero, amigo y esposo para mí. Hoy y para siempre decido de nuevo darte mi corazón, alma, confianza y amor sin importar lo que traiga nuestro futuro. Siempre elegí amarte para siempre.
Y no es palabra. Yo creo es que enseñarte en be faithful, always hold me whenever you need me.
you doing? Can I get an order for 3 people? Chicken fingers with French fries. That's about it. Please bring a lot of ketchup, please. And then orange juice. Alright, thank you. Oh, thank you. So you're not subscribed yet? Come on now, subscribe. Like, what you waiting for? It's free, you know what I mean? Just hit the button.